Hello teachers, if you are using Google Classroom and you go down to your add button, you can create announcements and you can reuse post, which is wonderful, but if you're looking for topics, it's kind of confusing. But there's a new tab up at the very top called Classwork, and when you use Classwork, that allows you to add your topics just like you did back in the day. So I'm going to quickly add my essentials topic, and then when I create the rest of my assignments, I can put them in topics just like we always did. So hey, I hope that helps you. If you're looking for the topics tab, it is under the classwork area. Have a great day.